Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the passcode on an iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Disabling your passcode on your iPad will allow anyone to unlock it by just swiping up. To disable it, open the Settings app. In Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode. You will need to enter your passcode to continue. Scroll down and select Turn Passcode Off. You will need to enter the passcode one more time in order to disable it. Your passcode will now be turned off and you won't need to enter it to unlock the iPad. You can come back here to the Face ID and Passcode settings to re-enable the passcode later. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.